Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why smart website owners are quietly ditching their monthly hosting bills and switching to one AI-powered server that hosts unlimited websites. And more importantly, how you can host all your websites and domains on a lightning-fast AI server with 0 monthly fees. Over the past few years, something quietly broken happened in the hosting world. Hosting companies kept charging more, capping your sites, throttling your speed, and billing you every single month, forever. Meanwhile, the websites that actually went online all share one thing in common: they load fast. And speed now comes down to one thing: the server behind your website. So why does hosting speed matter so much? Because your visitors decide in seconds. A slow site loses more than half its visitors before it even loads. Google ranks faster sites higher, and faster pages convert more sales. And that's exactly why marketers are upgrading, agencies are upgrading, businesses are upgrading. Everyone is moving toward faster AI-optimized hosting. Because when you compare the results, the difference is obvious. Fast unlimited hosting gives you faster load times, higher Google rankings, better conversions, and 0 downtime, which means better results for you. But here's the problem. To get this level of hosting power, you usually have to pay monthly. $10 a month for slow limited shared hosting, $50 or more a month once you need more sites, even $100 or more a month for fast, scalable servers, and it never stops. Every new site, every renewal, every add-on for SSL, backups, and email, more money. So even though fast hosting is powerful, owning it fully becomes expensive. That's why we built something completely different, something smarter, something faster, something you only pay for once. Introducing AI Hosting, a centralized AI-powered hosting platform built on a lightning-fast server. That gives you unlimited website hosting, unlimited domains and subdomains, with AI speed optimization, security, and backups built in, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another web host. This is your complete website hosting command center. Here's what happens after you activate AI Hosting. You log in, you add any domain or move your existing sites over in one click, and you hit publish. And instantly, your website goes live on a blazing fast AI-optimized server. WordPress sites, Laravel apps, sales funnels, e-commerce stores, and client websites, all hosted in one place, which means no per-site limits, no paying for multiple hosting plans, and no slow load times. Just fast, unlimited hosting. And here's where it gets even better. AI hosting isn't just fast, it's smart. Built for automatic speed optimization, real-time security and malware protection, and daily backups with instant restore. So your sites don't just load faster, they stay safer too. Faster pages, stronger security, higher conversions, and yes, like it's beginner-friendly, no server skills needed, no command line, no cPanel headaches. If you can click a button, you can host with AI Hosting. Now, let's talk about the price. Normally, to host unlimited sites this fast, you'd be paying every single month, but today, you don't have to. With AI Hosting, you get everything with a simple one-time payment, no subscriptions, no renewals, no per-site fees. Just activate it once and it's yours for life. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Host with it, test it. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny. No questions asked. So now, the decision is yours. Do you keep paying monthly for slow, limited hosting? Or do you unlock unlimited, AI-optimized hosting in one place? If you're ready to host unlimited websites and domains, run blazing fast, AI-optimized sites, replace expensive monthly hosting, save hundreds every year, and finally, own your hosting instead of renting it, then click the button below. Activate AI Hosting and unlock the most powerful unlimited hosting platform available today. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress. Just fast, unlimited hosting working for you. Your move starts now.